Welcome to your first essay of trimester 2. This essay will be on The Most Dangerous Game, which is the story we just finished reading last week. This essay is focused on point of view, and you made that chart last week to help you prepare for this. So this is your introduction paragraph video. So again, remember that I link videos up here in the directions, and the video is also linked right here where it says click here for video instructions. So your introduction paragraph is going to be short. It's only going to be 3 sentences. You have your context, where you are building context, building background for your reader, and then you have your thesis, where you introduce the topics of the essay. So for your context, 2 sentences, define and explain point of view. Think to what we did back before winter break when we were talking about point of view and how it connects to the real world. You could talk about point of view, why it is important to literature. You could talk about how in some stories there are multiple characters who have different points of view, kind of like Rainsford and Zaroff in this story. You can write about different types of point of view. You can write about why point of view is important. It's up to you. Just 2 sentences, define and explain point of view. If you're struggling of how to start this, just start this sentence by saying point of view is, and then fill in the blank. So again, 2 sentences, define point of view. Make sure your text is blue as well. Make sure all your text is blue in this entire essay organizer. I've set it up so hopefully it's already blue when you click, but just in case it's not, make sure your text is blue. Then for your thesis, super simple, it's just fill in the blank. So again, remember this is building direction for your body paragraphs. So it says, in The Most Dangerous Game by Richard Connell, the character, and then it says your character's name. Delete this, type in either Rainsford or Zaroff. Which character did you choose? So in The Most Dangerous Game, the character has a specific point of view of, and then you need to fill in the 3 topics of the body paragraphs. I left these blank because I just want you to word it how you think it fits best. So remember, body paragraph 1 is about your character's view of himself. Body paragraph 2 is about your character's view of the setting or the island or whatever you want to call it. And then body paragraph 3 is your character's view of the other character. So fill in the other character's name or say the other character. So again, it's up to you how you want to fill these out, but you're just putting what's the topic of body paragraph 1, view of what, topic of body paragraph 2, and topic of body paragraph 3. That's your introduction paragraph. It will be 3 sentences total. Make sure your context is only 2. Please don't go over, and make sure you get that intro done.